Hi, in this video I'll show how to use the application for converting KML files to PDF file. And we will be converting KML data. It's not like representation, it's not like image, but exact data that in KML file. And to convert it into PDF, I will download application from this website. I will link on site into description. To search for application, click on search and type KML to PDF. And I need this KML page. Click on KML to PDF link and click on download button to start downloading process. And my data archive will be downloaded to my computer. I will be recording more videos on how to convert different KML files to different formats like Excel, CSV, etc. And also how to create KML file from CSV and XML or JSON. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yeah, sometimes Google Drive cannot scan file it's releasing, but it's a good thing that sometimes they scan it. So this is why I prefer Google Drive, because it's scanning files constantly and checking if they're good, if there is nothing wrong with it. So every time I download from Google Drive, I'm sure that there is nothing bad in archive. Alright, archive has been downloaded on my computer. I will click on downloaded archive. Then double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info on this screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher at Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step we will select KML file we'd like to convert. I click on this button, navigate to my to some KML example. Let's try this example. Click on next. On second step I can also specify 2 or several KML files, but KML file can contain a lot of data, and presenting it to PDF will require a lot of space. Even if it's stable, it will be so large with all GPS coordinates on it or so many pages. So here I have opportunity to specify how large is my document is PDF. So from A4 smallest to A0 largest. And also I can specify font and orientation. So portrait is okay. Fortunately for this KML we don't have much just place mark. It's a place mark examples, because KML can be different. It can be track, it can be place mark, it can be polygons, a lot of stuff in here. So if there are a lot of coordinates, maybe it's a good idea to select what we exactly need from these coordinates, or select larger document PDF, because we're gonna have a lot of data on it. So click on next step. On final step I just click run, and it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Click save. And you can see file has been saved, so let's go and see file. Yep, so it's in my documents. I will double click latest KML to PDF file. Yeah, and you can see it contains all information from KML in nice table. It contains Portland coordinates, Rio de Janeiro coordinates, Istanbul coordinates, and simple polygon data with some coordinates on it. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Oh, by the way, this is example is just a name of the file. So if you're converting different file, it will have header as a name of the file. So yeah. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.